Welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel. My name is Florence Straka. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make fresh strawberry juice with a banana smoothie. That's what we'll be making today. Just sit back and see how I put all this together. So you can do it yourself as well. So let's dive right in. Alright, so here is the strawberry juice that I have. I made this earlier. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch that video. It's gonna be popping up for you in my other video that I made about strawberry juice, how to make the fresh juice yourself in case you have some kind of issues with digestive things when you eat certain things. For me, that's what I have. I can't eat strawberries just like that because the seed causing inflammation in my stomach. So because of that, I divert a different way how to actually enjoy the strawberries. If I can't eat it fresh like that, I can still enjoy it. So I extract the juice. I do the juicing from the strawberry, and this is the fresh strawberry that I made earlier. And then we're gonna be adding. Alright, so I already have the juice ready. What I am going to do now is just peel the bananas out, and I always say make sure you get all these strings out because it's gonna taste it in the smoothie when you made it. If you didn't take it all out, it's going to be in there and you're going to be tasting strings. I don't like that in my smoothie. And I'm just going to cut this in here. I made everything from fresh, and that's how I make my juicy. I don't like the pre-made juice. I might use it once in a while depending on what kind of juice it is, but mostly I try to make my own juice. And so every morning when I'm making my smoothie, I make everything from fresh. I know frozen banana, frozen mango, I don't like those. That's just me. I do everything from whole. Whenever you are using a knife, you can cut this banana on a cutting board, or you can just rip it like that. You don't want to use a... Alright, so now that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour the strawberry juice that I made. Oh, I made a mess. Alright. Kitchen, you make mess sometimes. Alright, so once I finish that, I am going to cover this up, and you can add ice. That is your optional. For me, I don't like ice, so I blend everything fresh like this, no ice, but you can add ice. And I am going to try and do in another video, make a fresh strawberry juice, mix it with ice and the bananas so you can see how that is done as well. It comes out easy. So I'm going to start blending now. Oh wow, and then you see how the creaminess of it. Alright, so now I have my little jar that I use, and I'm just gonna take the lid off and pour this right in. Smoothie that looks like. You cannot eat the fresh strawberry, always enjoy in a different way. And so that's what I did. That looks nice, and I'm gonna taste it and let you know how it comes out. This is really good. When I made the strawberry juice, I added a little ginger to it. I can still taste the little ginger in it, and just like a little hint of taste that in there, and then the sweetness from the banana all mix it together, makes it so smooth. You know, so this is really good. I want you to try it at home. You can add ice to it, add anything you want to it, and then just let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the juice. So that brings to the end of this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, keep smoothing, keep making smoothie, making juice. It is good for us, it is good for our body. So I'll see you on my next video. Stay healthy, take care.